Hey guys, what's going on? And welcome back to another video. So if you guys watched Apple's event for this year, then you'll know that they just released all of the new iPhone models for 2025. The iPhone 17, iPhone Air, iPhone 17 Pro, and all that good jazz. And this also happens to be the year that my dad is finally upgrading from his old iPhone 11 Pro. And because of that, we will be unboxing today the iPhone 17 Pro Max. So let's get to it. So obviously on the front, we have the iPhone 17 Pro Max, beautifully in frame there. You got the new camera layout, aluminum body, all that good jazz. We got iPhone written on the side, the Apple logo on the back, you know, all the tech specs, iPhone 17 Pro Max. This is in the deep blue color, and an interesting thing I know, Dad and I noted about the iPhone 17 Pro this year is that there's no just generic black color. It's just like blue, white, and then the crazy orange color they came out with. So that was interesting. And this is in the 1 terabyte model, so plenty of room for storage. And with that, let's get to it. So with all the new Apple products, there's no plastic sealing anymore. It's all just, you know, paper tabs, which is still fun, makes for a satisfying unboxing experience. So let's peel this up. Here we go. Oh, never gets old. All right, time for the second one. Oh man, alrighty. Time to reveal the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Whoosh. Yo! Oh my god, that looks so sick. Oh, that is amazing. We got ourselves a nice pull tab here. And there is the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Oh, that's so beautiful. Oh man. Damn, the cameras have gotten so big, it is so crazy. We've got this whole contraption on the top there with the camera sticking out. There you go, you can see on the side, you got the power button, the new camera button, there you go. All that good stuff. On the side, you got the action button, volume buttons. Then on the bottom, it's covered up by the plastic seal, which we will take off in a second. You got the microphone, speakers, and the USB-C connector. And now just before we peel off the plastic, we're gonna take a look at what it comes with. And it honestly shouldn't be much since Apple doesn't really package much with the iPhones anymore. But you got a USB-C charging cable. Oh, it's braided, that's nice. Just take that out there. Wow, there you go. Because I believe it was after the iPhone 15, I believe. All the iPhones charge with USB-C now, so no more lightning connectors, which is fortunate for the old iPhone users, but at least they give you a cable. No brick, but USB-C charging cable, and it's braided, so it shouldn't tear as easily, which is nice. You got some paper in here too. Or is it just like stuck down there? What does this say? You no longer need a physical SIM card. Is there no SIM card tray? eSIM? Huh, I did not know that. Well, it's good it tells you. Is there no Apple stickers? When do we get to a point where Apple products don't come with Apple stickers anymore? Well, I guess Apple really emptied out the box there, but there you go. So we got braided USB-C charging cable. That is all good and dandy. But now it's time to peel off the screen covering. Here we go. Yo, oh man, that is so sick. Ah, oh, there you go. This is what I was trying to show earlier. On the bottom, you got the USB-C connector there with the speakers and microphone. And then you got the dynamic island at the top. There's some good stuff. There's also this thing at the top. I forgot what it's for, but I will put some text on the screen when I'm editing this video to see what it does. And there you go. Well, that's the iPhone 17 Pro Max all unboxed right there. Now, of course, when you get a new iPhone, you're gonna need some accessories with it. So thankfully, we have 2 more accessories to unbox here today to go along with it. So obviously, when you get a new iPhone, you don't want to damage it, especially since the iPhone 17 Pro has been known for scratching because of the new aluminum body. But the point is, we also got the silicone case to go along with it. So let's give this a quick unbox. You can see we have the silicone case right there with MagSafe and the camera control, all compatible with that. This is also the year that Apple introduced lanyard hooks because they have this like crossbody strap you could put on the iPhone. It's really ridiculous. But there you go. This is in the black color, you know, to go with the deep blue and black. That's all nice. So let's peel off the pull tab here. There we go. I believe it should come out like this. Hey, there it is. Let me just take it out like that. Oh, nice. I gotta say, guys, one of the best feelings, brand new Apple silicone cases. Oh, it just feels so smooth. Oh, it's so nice. So of course, like any Apple, silicone case, there's some nice felt on the inside to keep the iPhone nice and comfortable. You got spots for the sleep wake button, camera control, volume buttons right there. All of them are front and center. The camera control is a little different, since you're supposed to touch it and it still responds and whatever. You got the USB-C out there, speakers, and the hooks for the crossbody strap. Again, ridiculous. And then the ginormous cutout for the camera. So that is all cool. And I guess that is everything it comes with, right? Yeah, that's the case. And now there's one more thing we will be unboxing for today, and that is the MagSafe wallet. Now, you guys might remember when I actually did unbox my own MagSafe wallet. I gotta say it was like 2021, I think, and that was in the wisteria color. This is the MagSafe wallet, now in the fine woven material, not leather, because Apple doesn't do leather anymore, in the black color. So you can see MagSafe wallet is front and center there. On the back, same stuff, just like the case. It also tells you, how to assemble it and whatever. So let's give this an opening. There we go. Should open the same way. Oh, now it slides out. Yo, there's the wallet. If you tip it over, it should come out. There you go. There's the wallet. I guess they have this fake carton here to keep it uniform. There you go. Apple Inc., 1 Apple Park Way. Is that Apple Park's address? Oh, didn't know that. There you go. Put the wallet in there. All good stuff. The wallet actually comes with paper. There you go. Designed by Apple in California. Although it's pretty sure it's just like boring documentation. Yeah, just like boring paperwork. Nothing really much to see there. So we can put that back in its paper sleeve. And there's the wallet. So obviously, as I said, Apple doesn't do leather anymore. So they have this new fine woven material, which is kind of like a felt, kind of like almost Velcro. I don't know. Is that weird? Does that make sense at all? I don't know. But it definitely feels interesting. That is for sure. So there's the wallet. Now we're gonna put all this to the side. There we go. Now, Dad, should we put the silicone case on in the wallet? All right, let's go do that. So we got the iPhone here once again. So we're just gonna get our case. Usually what I like to do when I'm putting on a case, I like to take the side with the most buttons, in case the volume button, put it in the side, and snap it in. Oh, fits like a glove. Beautiful. And it feels nice there. There you go. You got the nice deep blue accent with the camera, got the nice black case, and finally, the black MagSafe wallet. Oh, there you go. It's like the darkness iPhone, all the dark colors. And there you go. And that was the unboxing of the deep blue colored iPhone 17 Pro Max with the black silicone case and the black fine woven MagSafe wallet. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's unboxing video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to comment if you have potentially upgraded to the iPhone 17, iPhone Air. I don't know. Like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye. iPhone 11 Pro to the iPhone 17 Pro Max. And what was interesting is that ever since my dad got his first iPhone back in 2012 with the iPhone 5, he's been rocking these folio type cases where, you can cover up the screen, store a couple cards in there, and then you can see the phone screen that way. But since my dad wanted to get the Max this year, so, have the bigger screen to see stuff better, he was like, hey, if I get the big phone with the small case compared to the small phone with the big Chungus case, the size will kind of equal out. And you can kind of see it this way. If I put the folio up and I put the Pro Max side by side, you can really see that, the size is pretty on par. It's really not that much bigger. So I gotta say, that was definitely the right call. And I think the real kicker is when you compare the 17 Pro Max to my dad's old iPhone 8 Plus. This phone also had the folio case, but since it's my dad's basically backup phone now, he switched it out for a normal case. But you can see that the 8 Plus, without any folio case whatsoever is also the same size, but when you turn on the screen, it's like the 8 Plus screen looks like an old iPod touchscreen with these thick bezels, and then the iPhone 17 Pro Max is like, bezels? What's that? I mean, like, seriously, like, we all thought the iPhone 10 was an all-screen design. No, the 17 Pro Max is like, this is an all-screen design right here. So you can really see, like, same size, but you get way more screen on the 17 Pro Max. So I think, honestly, that's the real jump right there. Also, yes, this is young me right here, watching the ice skaters at the Shops at Don Mills ice rink, just trying to fathom how the hell do they skate like that on the ice and not falling off. So there you go. Have a quick laugh at young me right there and how adorable I was back then. So there you go. To really end off the video, you got the iPhone 8 Plus to the iPhone 11 Pro to the iPhone 17 Pro Max. 3 generations of iPhone. Thank you, iPhone 8 Plus, for shutting off. There we go. Anyways, that's all I wanted to show you guys, so I will see y'all in the next video. Bye!